This is the inspirstar IS02 PRO unit. The IS02 PRO is the most advanced microcurrent unit, mainly for professional practitioners. People call it the game changer of microcurrent devices. This unit has three major features. 1. The unit can be programmed by a practitioner for up to 999 protocols. 2. When a protocol is running, all parameters like frequencies, current intensity, timer, waveform, and polarity can be changed on the fly. 3. It's a unique feature called manual run mode. You can type in frequencies manually using the full keypad on the unit to run frequencies immediately on the patient. There are also many other smaller features. Let's go over the operations of the IS02 PRO. The IS02 PRO has two sets of output ports. One set is in the middle of the side panel, called the combined output set. For this set of output, one jack is for two positives and the other jack is for two negatives. Standard FSM treatment should use this set of output. Another set is on the side of the side panel called separated output set. One jack is for channel 1 positive and negative, and the other jack is for channel 2 positive and negative. If a practitioner will operate only one channel, like a one-channel probe, or operate two channels totally separately, this set of output may be used. We will use the combined output set for this demo. Let's begin by plugging the wires into the unit. The red plug is inserted into the red jack. The blue plug is inserted into the blue jack. If you're using gloves, two wires will come out of the red plug and go into one of the gloves. And two wires will come out of the blue plug and go into the other glove. You may wrap the gloves into a washcloth. Make sure both the gloves and the washcloths are wet or damp. If you're using pads, use the push pin leads and connect the pads to the pins. Regarding where you want to place the gloves or pads, please follow your practitioner's instructions. Press the Start On to power on the unit. The Power On initial screen displays the disclaimer and then displays the protocol number of the last run time. You can press Start to run the last used protocol. First, let me show you a couple of useful keys. The first one is the backlight key. In a dark environment, you can press this key to turn on the backlight. Press the key once and the backlight will stay on for 10 seconds. If you operate other keys during this 10 seconds, the backlight will continue to stay on. If you want the backlight to stay on for longer, you can press and hold the key for 3 seconds. The backlight will always run until you press the key again to turn it off. Next is the key for all protocols, recent protocols, and history protocols. When you keep pressing this key, the function will rotate among all protocols, recent protocols, and history protocols. All protocols list all of the protocols in the factory profile or the user programmed profile. Recent protocols list the protocols that were recently used. Use recent protocols to quickly select a protocol that is frequently used. History protocols list the actual protocol running history. The last used protocol is displayed on the top of this list. Use history protocols to check the therapy history and also select a protocol to run again. There are a number of stored therapy protocols in the inspirstar IS02. Please follow your physician's instructions regarding the protocols to be used for your symptoms. After the unit is powered on, the most common operation is to go to a specific protocol and run. If you know the protocol number, it's very simple. Just press the protocol number directly on the keypad. For example, if you want to go to number 156, just press 156. Protocol 156 is now pointed. If you want to browse a protocol, press the arrow key up or down to browse. You can see the details of a protocol by pressing the right arrow key to see the detail of the protocol. Use the up and down key to scroll the screen to see the rest of the details of this protocol. To run a protocol, just press Start. The protocol will start to run, and you can see the protocol running information on the screen. The protocol will stop after the programmed run time. For the IS02 PRO, one major feature is that all parameters can be changed when a protocol is running. This is also known as change parameters on the fly. Let me show you how to change each parameter. To change frequencies for channel 1, press the F1 key followed by the new frequency number. For example, if you want to change the frequency to 45 Hz, press F1, 4, 5, 0. You need to press the 0 for the 10th digit for 45.0 Hz. Then press Enter to complete. Now you'll see it's changed. Please make sure to press the next digit key within 4 seconds. Let's do it again and change it to 139.4 Hz. Press F1, 1, 3, 9, 4, Enter. The operation is the same for channel 2. Press F2, 9, 7, 0, 0, Enter. Now you've changed it to 970 Hz. To change the output current intensity, press the I+ key to increase the current intensity value, or press the I- key to decrease the current intensity value. To change polarity, press the polarity keys to switch the polarity among positive, negative, and alternating. To change the timer, press the time plus to increase running time by 1 minute. Press the time minus to decrease the running time by 1 minute. To change the waveform, press the waveform key to switch to a different waveform. Gentle, sharp, and moderate. You can also press hold to keep running the current frequency pair without the timer advancing. If you press hold again, the time will continue. You can also press the skip key to skip the current frequency pair and jump to the next frequency pair. When a protocol is running, you need to make sure the lights for channel 1 and channel 2 are off. When both channel 1 and channel 2 lights are off, you have a good continuity for microcurrent. If you see either channel 1 or channel 2 light is flashing, you are not getting enough microcurrent, or you may not be getting any microcurrent at all. You need to figure out what may be wrong. The problem might be that the skin is too dry, or that there's a weak or bad electrode, or a bad wire, or the machine itself. You can pause the therapy protocol at any time. During the running of a protocol, press pause to pause the running temporarily, and press start to continue running the protocol. To stop the therapy protocol at any time during the middle of the protocol, press the stop key, and that will stop the running of the therapy protocol. Next, I'll show you another major feature, the manual run mode. In any display window, you can press the left arrow key to go back to a higher level. When you go back to the main menu, scroll down to number 4. This is manual run mode. Press the right arrow key to go into manual run mode. This window is the manual run window. You can manually type in frequencies, change current intensity, polarity, and waveform. The operation is very similar to change parameter on the fly that we showed you earlier. To change the frequencies of channel 1, press the F1 key followed by the new frequency number. For example, for 45 Hz, press F1, 4, Then press enter to complete. If you want to change it to 139.4 Hz, press F1, 1, 3, 9, 4, enter. The operation is the same for channel 2. Press F2, 9, 7, 0, 0, enter to change it to 970 Hz. To change output current intensity, press the I+ key to increase current intensity value. Or you can press the I- key to decrease current intensity value. To change polarity, press the polarity key to switch the polarity among positive, negative, and alternating. To change the timer, press the Time+ key to increase the runtime by 1 minute. Press the Time- key to decrease the running time by 1 minute. To change the waveform, press the waveform key to switch between different waveforms: gentle, sharp, and moderate. You can press start at any time to start running. During the running, you can change the frequencies and any parameter at any time in the same way. To power off the unit, press the stop off key to turn off the IS02. The IS02 will power off automatically if there is no operation for 60 seconds when it's not running a protocol. For other features and operations, please refer to the IS02 PRO Owner's Manual. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@inspirstar.com.